Alright, figured y'all want to know what's going on. Buggy's about done. Got to put one of my seats back in after I get my linkage adjusted right. Do the weld up the rear portion of the cage that I got. And bleed the brakes and the clutch. Other than that, it's ready to rock. Running good, got my carbs dialed in. Got everything going great. It's just a pain in the ass working 14-hour days and not being able to do nothing on it. But other than that, enjoy the video. If you like it, hit like, share it, subscribe for more. Thanks. Later. Alright, I got my rear cage done. Almost. I'm going to put these crossbars on there probably Sunday. Go out to my brother's and bend them up, give them a fit. Got my diamond plate on there, it's good. It's over there on the bench for both sides. I'm going to cut another chunk of diamond plate to go underneath it. Other than that, this damn thing's about done. We'll see. See ya. Alright, here's where we're at now. Wife's wanting me to make it road legal now so we can go out and thrash it on the streets, do wheelies and shit. But I gotta get my turn signals, windshield, a horn, and some kind of manual windshield wiper thing, which is all good. It's easy. Got my brake bled, my brakes bled, clutch bled. Gotta remount that seat. Guy called me up that built the motor, wanted me to bring the motor over there and so he could fine tweak it a little bit. Got my rear rack built, got that done about a half hour ago. This thing should be ready to rock here in another weekend, probably 2 weekends. It won't be road legal for a couple days or a couple weeks, but I'm gonna try my best to get out there and thrash this bitch and get some videos of it. Alright, if you like it, hit like. Every little bit helps. If you want to see more, subscribe. Could use it. Get it out there. See ya.